as a coach, if you make mistake, when you go home and sleep, you have to think well and come back and correct your mistake. I don't think this coach is thinking to correct the mistake. Look at all those things. 2 minutes they score us, and the injury time and 3 minutes they score us. God has given us, so we lost it. So I mean, what I will say that the player they don't do anything. It's a coach. How can you remove the defender and bring the striker inside? When the time is up already, it's 3 minutes to close. Why should you change the defender and bring the striker inside? Why can't you defend your goal? So I think this coach is not a good coach. If I have to sack him, that's all.
Hafiz TV, unique every day.